Entering manual mode on a Huebsch top-load washer coin drop with MDC2 control. For programming, testing, and retrieving information from the control, it is sometimes necessary to enter the manual mode by the following steps. First, verify the machine is on and plugged in. Next, verify that a coin box is inserted completely into the meter case to depress the switch of the rear compartment. Open your meter case service door and locate your wire connection connected by a tubular connection. Separate the tubular connection and reconnect. To enter manual mode on the machine, you will simultaneously press the permanent press warm and normal hot buttons until you see a display of RAPD or rapid advance on the display. To exit manual mode, simply press the permanent press warm until you see the VIN price again.